Hello, holiday staff. It's so good to hear from you guys again. I wanted to come and show you how to set up a meeting in Zoom. There's two different ways to do this. I am using the downloaded app onto my computer, and I will show you how to do that. And then we'll also do it with the in the web browser. So here we're going to go to schedule. And I'm going to label this is great. I also label it fourth grade. For my students, I do fourth, fifth, and sixth grade meeting. I'm going to go ahead and schedule our PLC meeting for my team, which will happen next week. So on Thursday at, let's say 1 p.m. and it will go until about 1:30 p.m. So I'm going to let it generate automatically the meeting ID. I'm going to require a password. I want the host is whoever is setting up the meeting. You turn your video on, turn your participants' video on. Telephone and computer audio is great. Calendar reminders. You can either do Google Calendar or Outlook. I'm going to choose Outlook. So that way it is a little bit easier. And I'm going to scroll down here to advanced options. And I can enable a waiting room to where I can select who comes in, also see who they are, enable join before host. So if I'm not available, but Mike Lawless is, and he can go ahead and jump in. We can mute the participants upon entry. That might be a good idea to do for your students. You can also automatically record meeting on the local computer, in which I'm going to also do that. That way it will go straight to my, it'll be saved straight on my computer. Now we're going to hit schedule, and it's going to pop up with this meeting invite, and I am going to add invite. I'm going to share this with Mike Lawless and Deborah Clark and Miss Webb and Miss Barlow. All right, and so it has my Zoom meeting, my meeting ID, my password, the hyperlink that will go straight there, and it's all set up for that. So I've scheduled my PLC meeting. Hang on a few minutes, and I will show you how to find your recorded video.